Hi, this is Jeff Blauette, technical agronomist with Cooperative Farmers Elevator. And in this week's Field Friday segment, we've talked about earlier this season about our new venture, the CFE Air, where we have some drone spraying crews. We're getting to that stage now where we're just starting to do a few fungicide applications, and that's only going to pick up here as the crop stage gets to where it's needs to be for application time. But I just thought I'd kind of rather than me yammer on and talk in front of a video here for a while, I thought maybe I'd just show some actual action footage of kind of the process and our drone spraying crew in action. So let's see once what this looks like. This is the process that we're getting more familiar with, and we're going to be able to try and cover a bunch of acres. Obviously there's some acres in our territory with the moisture we've had that are not going to be doable because the crop isn't in all that good a shape, but we do have a lot of good acres yet to play with, and this is something that we're going to be committed to. So with that, that's this week's Field Friday segment, and we'll see you next week.